As predicted in the first episode of this market commentary playlist on the 18th of March, crude oil declined 15% a few hours ago following the 2-week ceasefire between US and Iran. My short position for the June futures contract with the average price of 91.13 was closed a few hours ago at a price of 83.75 for a profit of more than $800. Going forward, crude oil will decline further and it is advisable to short sell crude oil further at this point. Recall from the first episode that the Trump administration has been pursuing the oil producing countries since quite a while to reduce the crude oil prices, and indeed they had succeeded in bringing the oil prices down from $90 a barrel to $60 a barrel in the past. Refer to that episode for detailed reasoning. Global powers continue to seek lower prices for crude oil, and hence it is prudent to think that prices will decline further. A mature way to trade this decline is to sell call spreads. In order to give the trade some time to work out, let's use the June futures, which will expire on the 18th of May. Selling strike 89 call and buying 88 call gives one credit spread with a credit of $390. Traders can trade any number of spreads based on their trading account size. The spread should be closed once the price for June futures nears $85 a barrel.